Hello dear dentists, I'm Dr. Bhavna. So we all have been practicing or studying dental implants for quite some time now, and all of us are aware that the loading of dental implants requires 3 to 6 months at least. But sometimes, some instances, immediate loading of dental implants becomes necessary either due to patients or dentist preferences. And some of us are also well aware about the established protocols for immediate implant loading. AB Implants is one of the most renowned and trusted brands in industry right now, and one of the most preferred brands for most of the pioneers in the industry have now come up with an advanced protocol for immediate implant loading. And we are organizing a lecture which will cover case selection, traditional protocols, advanced protocols, and also the complications that are associated with immediate implant loading. Our guest speaker, Dr. Yoav, oral and maxillofacial surgeon from Israel, is also going to discuss about the topics on diverse bone anatomies and also the treatment planning and complications for immediate implant loading associated with these bone anatomies. So here's the favorite part. You are going to get one AB dental implant with the abutment with an additional gift voucher of Rs 3000. So we hope to see you all on 17 June at 6 p.m. at Ala Liberté, Panjara Hills. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.